my name is Kiki. Today I'm excited to share my research with you. The title is Evaluating Service Quality and Marketing Management in Wellness Centers. I focus on a real case, the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Beijing. Let's take a look at how they serve customers and promote their wellness service, and how things could be improved. And the main aim of my research is to see how service and management work in wellness centers, and more importantly, how they can be better. I looked closely at the Ritz-Carlton in Beijing to understand how they serve customers and how they market their wellness programs. My goal is to find ways to improve customer satisfaction and help their marketing become more effective. And to reach that goal, I set a few clear steps. First, I read past research about service quality and wellness marketing. Then I analyze the hotel's environment using tools like SWOT and PESO. I collected data from real people, guests and staff, using surveys and interviews. Finally, I studied the results using simple math tools and looked for themes in the interviews. These steps help me understand the full picture from both the guest side and the staff side. So, why does this research matter? Wellness is a huge and growing industry in China. It was worth more than 800 million RMB in 2023. And after COVID, more people care about their health and well-being. Luxury hotels like the Ritz-Carlton need to keep up with these changes. This research can help them find better ways to serve guests and stay ahead of the competition. And now let me explain how I did the research. I used both numbers and words. This is called a mixed method approach. I gave our surveys to guests to understand their experience. I interviewed staff to hear what happens behind the scenes. I also observed how services were delivered. I picked guests randomly, but I chose staff carefully to get useful insights. Then I analyzed the numbers using statistics and the interviews by finding key themes. Of course, I followed all the research, the rules. All the people who took part gave permission, and their answers were kept private. The study is only for academic use. There were a few challenges. For example, not all guests wanted to answer, and I didn't have a lot of time. And also, this study focused only on one hotel, so the results might not fit every hotel. Here is how I organize my time. First 3 weeks, I read articles and books. Weeks 4 to 6, I study the hotel's environment. Week 7 to 8, I collected data. Week 9 to 10, I analyzed the results. And last 2 weeks, I wrote and checked the final report. So this plan will help me stay on track and finish each part step by step. And I used many helpful books and studies to support my research. Some were about service quality, others about marketing in hotels and wellness centers. If you are interested, you can review on my full list here. That brings us to the end of my presentation. To sum up, wellness centers have great potential, but they must improve how they serve and connect with customers. My research gives some ideas on how to do that. Thank you so much for listening. I am happy to answer your any questions.